Did you know that the story of Tom and Jerry began as a simple idea to compete with Mickey Mouse? In this video from Little Steps English, you won't just learn English. You'll also discover the true story behind one of the most iconic cartoons in the world. Join us to learn the language through fun, laughter, and endless surprises. Because the best way to learn English is to love what you're learning. Way back in 1937, the legendary animation duo that is Hanna-Barbera burst onto the scene. No, not that one yet. This Hanna-Barbera, these guys, they joined Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer's animation unit in Hollywood and teamed up with fellow animator director William Hanna. MGM needed fresh cartoon ideas, and Barbera suggested a cat-and-mouse duo. You know, like a fox and a dog, but with a cat and a mouse instead. They thought it over, then pitched the idea to producer Fred Quimby, who loved it and greenlit one short. So they got to work creating a cartoon featuring a cat and a mouse that would become famous worldwide. In 1940, their first cartoon, Puss Gets the Boot, introduced Jasper, the cat, and an unnamed mouse. Their first short was a hit and was even nominated for an Academy Award. Seeing its success, MGM held a naming contest, and the winner, animator John Carr, took home a handsome $500. He chose the names Tom and Jerry, inspired by a popular Christmas-time cocktail. By the way, if you ever get a chance to try a Tom and Jerry, don't hesitate. It's delicious. In 1941, Hanna and Barbera released The Midnight Snack, their first official Tom and Jerry duo episode. Over the next 17 years, the duo created 114 theatrical shorts. Tom and Jerry became hugely popular and won 7 Academy Awards, more than any other character-driven series. Although they are most famous for creating Tom and Jerry, William Hanna and Joseph Barbera didn't just stop at the cat and mouse. Their brilliant partnership also gave us the Flintstones, the Jetsons, and Scooby-Doo. What? Oh yeah, that's right. They founded Hanna-Barbera Productions in 1957 and continued to create beloved cartoons until their retirement in the late 80s. Now, let's take a closer look at these two terrific guys. William Hanna was born on July 14th, 1910. He was the animation supervisor and often took charge when the team had creative differences. He had a strong work ethic and a talent for timing, which made him perfect for the role. He passed away on March 22nd, 2001, at the age of 90. Joseph Barbera was born on March 24th, 1911. He crafted the storylines and continued to animate until his death on December 18th, 2006, at age 95. Together, they were a powerhouse duo. They knew how to make people laugh, and their cartoons continue to be enjoyed by audiences all over the world. But what about Tom and Jerry? What happened to them after Hanna-Barbera retired? Well, that's a story for another time. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite Hanna-Barbera cartoon? And don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.